It's that time of year again where all I want is picky buffet food. So let's have a crack at making some Christmas toast. So what we've got is we've got some slices of sourdough bread. I've got a cookie cutter. You could use any shape you want, use a snowman, use whatever. I've got a Christmas tree one. And all I'm gonna do is just cut out Christmas tree shapes from this sourdough bread, like so. I mean, any of these leftover trimmings you can make a festive bread and butter pudding maybe, or just take it down the pond to feed the ducks, it's up to you. And there we go. All those little Christmas trees cut out from those slices of bread. That's it. So this is what you're gonna have, just mini Christmas tree bread. Let's just get them onto a baking tray. And what we're going to do is just cover them in a little bit of oil. Let them soak in all that oil, mop it all up. It's going to help them get nice and crispy. And we're just going to whack these in the oven now, 180, until they're beautifully golden. So the Christmas tree toast has had 15 minutes of 180. Let's go and see how it looks. And that's exactly how we want it to look. It's the consistency of a crouton, almost like fried bread, and look at the colour of it, it's beautifully golden. So it really is more of an assembly job at this point now. So I've got some sour cream, a little bit of horseradish. I'm gonna get that sour cream into a bowl. I'm going to use a couple of teaspoons of horseradish. If you want a little bit more pungent, you can absolutely use more. And then we're going to chop through some chives. So I'm going to mix these chives through. I'm going to save a few just for later, just for garnish. Let's just give all that a stir. You want it to look something like that. Pinch of salt in there. So this is an assembly job now. So we've got our beautifully toasted sourdough Christmas trees. Take some of the sour cream and horseradish and start to dollop it on. Let's give it a spread. And then we've got our, you could use roast beef. This is a pastrami, and just peel bits off and just flake it on. Just let it fall naturally. Just pile it on. Just going to top this off as well. A little bit of cranberry. Keep it even more festive. And what we'll do, just a few chives just to finish it off. Okay, and there you have it. Christmas toast, super simple to throw together, but a proper crowd pleaser. And there you have it.